Hello friends, welcome back to this new video tutorial. Today's topic is how to use switch function in Google Sheets. To explain the use of switch function in Google Sheets, here I have created this example where there is customer's name, number of box to ship and shipping priority. If you see, there are three types of shipping priority and the cost per box for every single shipping priority type is different. Like if the priority is same day, cost is 50. If it is next day, cost is 45, and if it is after 2 days, cost is 40. And here in the cost of shipping, I need to calculate the total cost of shipping for every single customer. In this case, I can use the switch function. So here in this first cell, press equals, then type switch. Here you can see the theoretical description of the switch function that says switch function returns a value by comparing cases to an expression. Open the bracket. In the expression, click on the first shipping priority, then put a comma. In the case 1, click on the first type of priority, that is same day. So click on this cell, then lock this by pressing F4 key in the keyboard. Because when we copy the formula down, this cell should be fixed. Then put a comma. In the value 1, click on the cost for this priority type, that is 50. So click on this cell. Then lock it by pressing F4. Put a comma. In the case 2 or default, click on the second priority type. Then lock it by pressing F4. Comma. In the value 2, click on this second cost. Then lock it. Put a comma. Again, click on the third shipping priority. Lock it. Comma. Then click on the third cost. Then lock it. Now close bracket. Press enter. And here you can see the cost of shipping is given for this same day. Now if you drag this formula down, you will get the per box cost for every single type of shippings. Now to calculate the total cost, we have to multiply this number of box with this formula. So click on the first one, then go to the formula bar, click at the end, put a multiplication symbol, then click on this number of box to ship. Press enter. Now use the fill handle to drag the formula down. And here you can see the total cost of shipping for every single customer is calculated. So this is how we can use the switch function in Google Sheets. If you want to practice this, you can get this Google Sheets document from the link given in the video description section. Thank you very much for watching. See you again in next tutorial.